Today I want to show you the unbelievable redox reaction between elemental lithium and potassium dichromate. Check this out. For this experiment, we'll use potassium dichromate, elemental lithium that's stored in mineral oil because it can react with moisture in the air, a ceramic crucible, and a scalpel to cut the lithium. Lithium is an alkali metal having only 3 protons. It is the lightest metal on Earth. You can see it floating in mineral oil. It was discovered in 1817 by the Swedish chemist Johan Arvidsson while he was analyzing the mineral petalite. He noticed that the mineral contained an unknown alkaline substance which he named lithium, from the Greek word lithos, meaning stone, because he found it in a stone. The pure metal itself wasn't isolated until later by chemists through electrolysis. We're going to cut a small piece of lithium today. It's a little bit harder to cut than sodium or potassium, but you'll notice that when you cut lithium, it has a bright silver luster before it develops an oxide layer. Begin by measuring out 1 gram of potassium dichromate. Next, add your potassium dichromate to a ceramic crucible over a flame-retentive blanket behind a blast shield for safety, as this will throw sparks when you heat up the mixture. Then add your small piece of elemental lithium to the potassium dichromate. Use both a Bunsen burner and a torch to heat your mixture. And here are our products. We have a little bit of potassium chromate, a little bit of lithium oxide, and a little bit of chromium 3 oxide as our products. Here's the unbalanced equation for this amazing redox reaction. We start with reactants potassium dichromate and lithium. We have 1 mole of potassium dichromate, that's the K2Cr2O7, and we have 6 moles of lithium, that's the 6Li. When those are combined and activation energy is added in the form of heat, we get the products potassium chromate, lithium oxide, and chromium 3 oxide. We have 1 mole of potassium chromate, that's the K2Cr04. We have 3 moles of lithium oxide, that's the 3Li2O. And we have 1 mole of chromium 3 oxide, that's the Cr2O3. This is a reduction oxidation reaction where lithium is being oxidized as it loses electrons, and chromium is being reduced as it gains electrons in this terrific reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.